The recent shift towards online assessments provides a fresh emphasis on the need for effective teaching of academic integrity. Research shows that these skills develop most effectively when learning takes place in an environment that fosters a positive climate towards academic integrity, where tutors provide exemplars of good practice, and students learn these skills through formative assessments involving constructive feedback from supportive tutors. However this support is provided, be it through existing tutorials or new activities in the Assessment Support Week, a key ingredient for the positive climate is the provision of interactions with tutors who discuss how they apply academic integrity in the different roles they have as academics, and where students receive constructive feedback on their first efforts to produce university-level work. Turnitin can be used in more positive ways to support student learning. Tutorial discussions around originality reports from formative assessments can provide a valuable form of feedback. By identifying faults in student writing and encouraging reflection on skills such as the use of sources and accurate citations, these tutorials provide a space where students can appreciate their progress in understanding academic conventions and applying them into their work.